First of all, we have to look at this number that we are dividing a 6-digit number with a 3-digit number. All right. Okay. Now, first of all, we will look at this number over here. We have to find out the number which is bigger than 381. 4 is not bigger than 381, so we are going to take the next number 48. It's again smaller, so we will take the next number, so it will become 483. And then we are going to divide 483 with 381. All right. So how many 381s are there in 483? I think there is only one, so we are going to do it 381 one times. 381 one times is 381, because I think that 381 two times will be much bigger than this number, so we will do this. All right. So 381 one times is 381. We are going to subtract it now. 3 minus 1 is 2. 8 minus 8 is 0. And 4 minus 3 is 1. Next, now we are going to bring down the number 7 here. Okay. Now we are going to divide this 1027 with 381. It's already big than 381, right? So what do you think? We are going to find out that how many times we should do 381. I think I'm going to guess here. Let's do it with 3. 381 3 times is how much? 3 ones are 3, 3 eights are 24, 4 here and 2 carried. 3 3s are 9 plus 2 11. No, I think now see here, this is bigger than this number. 1143 we have got, and which is bigger than this, so we cannot do with 3. All right, we cannot do with 3. So what we are going to do? We are going to do it with 2, and let's see the answer what we will get. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16, 1 carry, 2 threes are 6 plus 1 7. We have got 762, so we can do that. All right, so we will do 381 2 times 762, and we are going to subtract this now. All right, so we are going to subtract it. 7 minus 2 we get 5. 2 minus 6 we cannot do, so we are going to borrow from this one. The 0 cannot give it, so we are going to give this. This will be 9 and this will be 12. Okay, and this will be 0. So 12 minus 6 will be 6, and 9 minus 7 will be 2. Next we are going to bring down this number 5 here. All right. Now we are going to multiply again and check how many times we should do 381. So we get a number which is near to or smaller than this number. Okay. My guess is I am going to do it 381 6 times. Okay. 6 ones are 6, 6 eights are 48, 8 here and 4 carried. 6 threes are 18, 18 plus 3, 18 plus 4 is 22. So 2286 is less than 2655. So we can do this. All right, 2286. Okay, we will do 381 6 times 2286. So 5 minus 6 cannot be done. We are going to borrow from the previous 5. It will become 15 minus 6 is 9, and this will become 4. So 4 minus 8 cannot be done. It will become 5, and it will become 14 minus 8 is, you're going to get 6 here, and again you will borrow from here. 15 minus 2, you're going to get 3 here. All right. No. Yes, we're right. Now we are going to bring down this 9 number here. Last one. When you're done with all of the numbers, you bring down each number from the top on one step, right? The third step, you're going to bring down this third number, and we are done with all of those numbers. So now we are going to divide it here. 381 we are going to do 9 times. All right, and we will check, because 381 10 times will be 3810, so it will be bigger than this, so we are going to do 381 9 times. 9 ones are 9, 9 eights are 72, 2 here and 7 carried, 9 is 27 plus 3 34. We will get 3429 9 times. So we are going to subtract it now, and we will see what do we have as a remainder. We're going to get 0, 7 and 2. So 270 is the remainder that we have got. So our answer is 1269, remainder 270. Alright, that's how we are going to divide the bigger numbers also, and we follow the same steps. When we divide a smaller number, again we follow the same step, and if we divide a bigger number also, we follow the same steps.